We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT to make videos. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once inside, you want to think about the type of video content you wish to create. Are you aiming for a tutorial, a story, or maybe a promotional video? Type your script idea or topic into the chat box and ask ChatGPT to generate a script for you. Make sure to be specific with your request to get the best results, like specifying the tone or style you want. You can say something like, create a script for a 2-minute tutorial video on how to bake chocolate chip cookies with a friendly tone. ChatGPT will then generate a script that you can review and edit as needed. You might want to tweak the language to better fit your style or add any personal touches that make the video more engaging. Once you're satisfied with the script, you can use a text-to-speech tool to convert this script into audio. There are many online tools available, just make sure to choose one that offers natural sounding voices. After converting your script to audio, you can use video editing software to combine this audio with visuals. You can create slides, animations, or use stock footage that corresponds with the content of your script. Programs like Adobe Premiere Pro or even simpler tools like iMovie can be used for this step. By layering audio and visuals, you create a cohesive video. Don't forget to add any background music or sound effects where appropriate to keep the video interesting. Once your video is complete, review it to ensure everything flows smoothly and make any final adjustments. Finally, export your video in the format you need, ready for sharing or uploading to your desired platform. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.